Trying to sell on Amazon but not sure where to start? Here's a super quick guide to creating your first product listing step by step. First, sign in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Go to Inventory, add a product. You'll either match an existing listing or create a new one. Since we're adding something new, choose I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. Use the search or browse to find the right category. Next, fill in your product's vital info, name, ID, and brand. If your item has sizes or colors, add those under variations. Then upload at least 5 high-quality images. Add your bullet points and the product description in HTML. Don't forget back-end keywords to help customers actually find your product. Want to help launching your first profitable product on Amazon the right way? Click the link in my description to join the 14-day OA Challenge at oachallenge.com. Let's get you selling fast.